Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're looking at a piece of tech that's usually hidden away but is absolutely vital. We're talking about the NTI E-BEEP1-P400. It's a rugged miniature piezo alarm.
And our mission here isn't just to, read you a spec sheet. We really want to unpack the engineering decisions that make a device like this truly fail-proof.
Exactly. The real question is, what kind of environment is so harsh that you need an alarm to be this loud and this tough?
It's a great question.
So let's start with the basics. Its job is to be loud, right? To deter or alert.
Extremely loud. We're talking about a continuous tone that can hit 103 decibels.
Wow. And that's measured from just 2 feet away. That's almost as loud as a chainsaw.
It is, but here's the thing that gets me.
What's that?
It's tiny. I mean, it is truly miniature, just 1.3 by 1.15 inches. It's barely bigger than a golf ball.
That contrast is fascinating. All that noise from such a small package.
Well, that high volume is critical. Think about where you deploy this. Maybe a noisy server room or utility substation. You need that sound to just slice right through all the background chaos. It has to be heard.
Okay, but if it's screaming that loud, I'd imagine the vibration alone could cause problems over time, let alone, everything else in the environment. So let's talk about the rugged part. What makes this little thing so tough?
This is where the commitment to quality really shows. The insides aren't just sitting in a plastic case. They're fully epoxy encapsulated.
Epoxy encapsulated. So what does that mean in practical terms?
It means the whole electronic heart of the device is sealed in a solid block of protective resin, which is why it's explicitly water, humidity, and vibration resistant. It's also polarity protected.
So you can't fry it by hooking it up wrong.
Exactly. A simple mistake won't destroy the unit.
That really does sound like a serious investment in making it durable. But does all that protection make it too expensive or too heavy for wide deployment?
Surprisingly not, especially for the reliability you get. And you can actually quantify that reliability with its industry ratings.
Okay, like what?
Well, you mentioned water resistance. It has an IP68 rating.
IP68. For our listeners, that means it's totally dust-proof and can be continuously submerged in water, right?
That's right. It's basically built to survive a flood.
Submarine grade, almost.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But it's not just water. It's also ASTM B117 rated.
I'm not familiar with that one.
It's a salt spray test. It means this alarm won't corrode, even in a coastal environment. You can put this on an oil rig or in a shipping port, and then there's the temperature range. It'll operate from a truly Arctic -4 degrees up to a blistering 149 degrees Fahrenheit.
Incredible. So if it can survive all that, what about getting the signal to it? How far away can you actually place this from the control system?
That's maybe the most impressive part. The deployment flexibility is huge. It uses a simple 5 to 15 volt DC input. It even comes with a 12 volt power supply.
Okay.
But the two-wire interface supports a maximum cable length of 1,000 feet.
Wait, 1,000 feet?
1,000 feet.
That's more than 3 football fields long.
Yeah.
You could have this at the absolute edge of a massive facility, far away from any central panel.
Precisely. And when you combine that incredible reach with its extreme resilience, you start to understand the price point and the certifications.
Right. It's priced at about $165. And what are the certifications?
It has all the key ones, RoHS, UL, and it's also TAA compliant.
TAA compliance.
Yeah.
That's important for government contracts, isn't it?
It is. It means it meets the Trade Agreements Act, so it can be used in U.S. federal government projects. It really elevates it from just a component to a trusted piece of critical infrastructure.
So to sum it up, the NTI E-BEEP1-P400 isn't just a loud buzzer. It's a tiny, powerful, incredibly durable device designed to cry for help from 3 football fields away, even in the absolute worst conditions.
That's the perfect takeaway. It's about ultimate reliability over massive distances and under extreme environmental stress.
So this brings up a final thought for you to mull over.
Given the IP68 rating for being submerged, the salt resistance, and that 1,000-foot reach, what demanding environment, maybe one you hadn't even considered, is that specific combination perfect for? Think about something deep underground, maybe in a flooded utility vault or way out at sea on a monitoring buoy. Something to think about until our next deep dive.